Can I get up? Yeah, everywhere. Up, down, left, right. Shorty's moving again. Shorty's loose with the pen. Shorty do with the wind.
All right, change of plans, boys. So my neighbor just let me borrow this thing for a bit, and yo, this thing does work, man. I had to close the garage behind me because this thing does mad work, man. I gotta get away from the gas canisters and all that, man. I gotta get everything from all the gas canisters and stuff like that, man. But oh shoot, man. Yeah, man, I got freaking explosive stuff everywhere, man. Freaking yeah, man, mad gas. Woo! Yeah, baby. I'm about to paint this sucker today, man. So yeah, man, I gotta get everything together. And yeah. Okay, boys, I got the heater blowing. It's blowing right here, drying off this place. You know, so I can wipe it now, wipe everything down, get it all cleaned off and all that all that off. I got the heat gun, you know, right here because this thing is so cold, it's gonna freeze. I got the paint I'm gonna be using right here. This cost me $51, man. But I gotta heat that up, get everything prepped. I gotta still scuff the surface, clean everything off. Got that. Yeah. All right, boys, got everything masked off. Got it all scuffed up, wiped off. Time to turn off this thing, eh? Yeah, I had to turn that off. I don't want that blowing up in my face. You know, the paint is all explosive, so you don't want that. So I got everything masked off. I got this all hooked up. Now I still need to adjust this thing. All right, boys. We should be good with that. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Let's see the effect of it. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That thing works strong. Let me put on the mic. Yeah. Y'all hear that? All right. Let me set this thing up, start painting. Alright, boys, I just cleaned off the surface as best as I could. Front bumper cover, getting it ready for paint. I got the heater blowing at it right over here, so, you know, I'm making sure this place is hot, you know, all heat up. Still got this thing kind of left it where I was from yesterday. Got a little bit left. Probably need to stir that up a little bit. I just need to mask off this area. Now, normally, when I paint the front bumper cover, I normally take it off the vehicle. But this one, I'm just kind of lazy, and I just want to get this thing done, you know. I really don't care how it comes out. This is the next day. So, as you can see right here, I mean, the paint came all, you know, minty, man. Like, look at that, man. I sanded this down a little bit because I effed up right here. So I sanded this part down. I still got to spray over that area again. But as far as that, everything just looks mint. I mean, you know, I still need to spray some clear coat. I forgot to buy some clear coat, so I gotta go to the store tomorrow sometime. Yeah, man, but this place, like, it looks mint, man. Like, it's crazy, man. Good morning, boys. It's like 10 minutes before 7 in the morning, man. On my way out. You can't really see it, but it's a beautiful sunrise out there, man. Riding this old Civic. Check engine light is still on. I want to get that sorted out today, man. I still haven't put any clear coat on this thing, man. I'm not gonna pick some up today. I'm just gonna spray some on while it's outside, you know what I mean? I really don't care. As long as it looks halfway decent, that's whatever, man. But you know, man, you gotta be grateful every day, man. Whether it's, you know, you're grateful to God, grateful for your family, grateful for your children, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, you gotta be grateful, man. Don't be complacent, man. Yeah, I just woke up this morning and like, you know, I just took this car out and I'm just, you know, I don't know, gratitude kind of keeps me up, you know, keeps me going. I don't know about y'all, but that's just kind of how it is for me, you know, helps me go forward. Yeah, man, but anyway. That time has come, boys. Man, look at the beautiful sky, man. It was just cold and now it's warm, man. It's beautiful outside. It's warm outside. I gotta move up in line for a second. Hey, man. The time has come to get this car sold, man. I just really had this feeling today. I'm just like, man, I gotta get... I mean, not today, but this week. You know, at the beginning of the week, Sunday, I was just like, man, I gotta get this car sold. Like, I have to at least get it posted for sale this week. I'm gonna tell y'all how much I got for it and all that. But yeah, man, I'm just, the check engine light is still on. Can y'all see that? I don't know if y'all can see that, but the check engine light is still on. So that's probably gonna screw with me. That's probably gonna mess with the resale value. But, yeah, man, it's time to get this car sold. And every time before I sell a car, I always wash the car so I can get some badass pictures of it. You know, I still need to put some clear coat on this car, so I'm just gonna throw some clear coat on, some tire shine. I'm gonna show y'all all that, you know. Hold my process like when I'm selling a car, how you get the most value, how you market it properly and everything. I mean, this car right now, I was looking outside it today, like it doesn't look anything like it did before. You know what I mean? Y'all about to see it, man. Like, I mean, this car, yeah, you know, like the headliner is still missing and all that, but it is what it is, man. Anyway, I'm about to get in this car wash, man. Hello and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I am Stack612, and this is Roaches to Ranches, where it's all about progress. And today, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, it is time to finally sell the Canadian Civic, man. I just ran this thing through the car wash. Some of the paint washed off because obviously I didn't prep it properly. I just kind of threw it on and just whatever. I just want to have it on long enough just to get it sold. I already took some pictures of it. You get ready for Craigslist. One thing you guys got to know is when you take pictures of a vehicle, you have to make sure, you know, you take very good pictures. Like, you got to wash the car. As you can see, I put some tire shine on it. I put tire shine on it so like it makes the tires, you know, glisten in the sun, you know what I mean? So it looks good. Like, the amount of progress, I mean, this car has completely transformed. You know, if I have some old footage or old pictures, I'm gonna show it right now. Y'all know what I'm talking about, guys. The worst modification to ever do to your car. Look at this. I just picked up this whip about a week ago, and of course it came with the good old Civic hubcap delete. Like, you see this right here, I stuffed some, oh shoot, yo, oh, that's bad. Oh crap. Oh yeah, yep. Y'all who live up north, y'all know y'all know what this is right here. Yep. Y'all who live up north know what I'm feeling right now. But this car has completely transformed, you guys. Like, from the way it was when I bought it. I bought this car for $900, y'all. You know, piece of junk. I mean, this car is still a piece of crap. It actually overheated on me a little bit when I was waiting for the car wash because I let it idle for mad long. But yo, like, Hondas, man, these old Civics, I'm just such an enthusiast for them because, I mean, they're so easy to work on. They just run, they run like a top, you know? So, you know, like, there are a few issues with this vehicle. For example, the headliner is missing on the inside because it's it's a custom headliner, and I can't make the custom. I tried doing it, it didn't work. Yeah. You can kind of see the body work on the back panels over there while I sprayed over, but like the paint job just came out great. Like it looks like it, you know, obviously I got some OEM paint. And for y'all who want to do the same thing, be advised that the way I resprayed this car, I did not do an OEM, I mean I did an OEM paint job. So I mean I had to order original factory paint, all right? So it was kind of an expensive paint job. I mean, if you put in all the equipment in it, so, you know, this is not one of those other YouTube guys doing those budget paint jobs. Like, this was not a budget paint job. Cost me a little bit. The bumper cover, the front bumper cover came out amazing. Everything is just great. You can barely even hear this thing running, man, but it runs, man. Yeah, everything is just great. But yeah, man, I'm gonna post it for sale. I'm gonna tell y'all how much I got for it and how much I made on it and all that. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. Y'all stay strong, stay healthy, and stay inspired. I'm out. Peace.